It's high time we should think about our career. Are you utilizing your time and your energy on your CV? Have you started looking at your industry which you want to work, which you are passionate about? Are you working on yourself? Are you using this valuable time for your career? Are you doing some research in this ample of time? Hi, I'm Anki. Welcome back to our channel Anki Anisu. I have been working in this Australia for about 2 years now, and with this 2 years of experience I can tell you the importance of your resume, your career. So that is why I would like to focus this video on those topics. And right now you know that we are facing global pandemic and there's so much time right now. It's lockdown and you don't have to go outside. You must be at home, and I'm sorry for those who have lost their job right now, but you could use this time to get advantage as much as possible, because you can do research on your industry, you can do research in anything you want, because this is the right time. You have internet, you have Wi-Fi in your hand, and you can work on that. And that is number one is your CV, and you can improvise your CV by asking your maybe friends or families, anyone, friends or seniors. If you are in Australia, students do professional year for PR purpose to increase their point, right? So everyone knows that. So why not use your network and then ask people how to make your resume as nice as possible so that you can apply anywhere you want. You have to polish your resume in order to get the job which you are very passionate about. You have to work on that. And next thing is, do you have accounts in LinkedIn? Are you doing some networking in LinkedIn? Have you tried to find the people who are working on the same industry which you want to be in? Are you doing that? If not, it's your high time to work on LinkedIn. Number two, work on your Excel skills, because Excel is very important. I will tell you an example. Recently, I had to hire intern along with my manager. We all are working from home because of this global pandemic situation. And while interviewing, both of the candidates were so brilliant. They were so good. They had all the things that we wanted, but we also went above and we wanted to test the Excel, because I work in accounting field like I mentioned before, and Excel is very important. We live in Excel, we breathe in Excel, and the one who did very well in Excel succeeded and we ended up hiring him. Both of were in same position, but just because one of the guy had better Excel skill than the other, we had to hire him. I request you all to try to increase your Excel skill. Just go on YouTube, go on online, anywhere, blog posts, anywhere. You can find Excel tricks and tips how to work in Excel. The Excel skill you required for your beginners, like VLOOKUP, your pivot table, and how to do some random filters, like simple things matters. So work on that. Do some research for your industry, for your work you're looking at. There are so many platforms like LinkedIn, websites, social media. There is information everywhere. Try to go on Instagram. Maybe if you use Instagram, just go and look at their vibes. So how do they work? Like, what are they posting? What do they value? Try to utilize those pictures and grab some information from there. How customers are responding. Or maybe you can go to LinkedIn and then find who are working on your industry. What are they following? Or maybe go to website and find out the reviews of your company which you want to work. Everything is in your palm. Utilize this lockdown time to work on your career so that you will have better future after this pandemic time. Other tips for you guys is that if you are looking your job in retail or some product, try to be the customer and take experience and get the knowledge how you are treated, so that you will understand how the company works. So for example, if you are looking job in some retail, for example for shoes or for bags or for cosmetics, beauty product, anything, if you are able to buy it, buy it and then see and try to write some reviews. I hope you will get some feedback so that you will know that that is your right place to work on. Lastly, even if you don't get the job you are looking for, or maybe internship you are looking for in the company that you loved, this research, this observance, everything is your asset. You can utilize in another company. Because guess what? We can switch our things. We could like something one or the another. So everything you do right now for your career is a win-win situation, because you utilize your time properly, you research on your field, you do your CV, resume check, and then you utilize this time to increase your Excel tricks or maybe your field of what you're doing. Thank you so much for listening till the end. I hope this information gave you some motivation to work on your career. I will be bringing more of video whenever I experience something like this. I hope you will like my content and keep in touch. See you again. Bye bye.